Hello everyone, I'm Zala and welcome to my channel. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I took a bit of a break because I just needed it. I was struggling and I decided that I needed a break. Anyway, I'm back now and I'm ready to do an unboxing for you all. I'm going to show you all what I got for Christmas. My husband bought me this present and I'm so excited to show you all what it is. I hope you've all had a lovely Christmas and I wish you all the best for 2025. I don't know about you all, but I really struggled to buy Christmas presents this year. And it seems like it gets harder and harder every year. But before I get into this video, I'd like to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos. And don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Zala. Like I was saying, it's really hard to buy presents and so we normally prompt each other, and I normally have what I call a Christmas wish list or even a wish list for my birthday, and then I give it to my husband and he can choose whatever he wants to buy for me from that list. But this year there wasn't much on my list. I always like to buy a variety of gifts, and one of those things has got to be something that's practical. But anyway, too much talking, let's get into this unboxing. And I'm so excited, I can't wait to use this Osmo Pocket 3 Creators Combo is what it's called. I can't wait to record my first video with this, using this Osmo Pocket. I've seen a lot of creators using this, and I think what drew me to this was the fact that it's so small and you know it's so portable. I've got a camera, my husband bought me a camera some time ago, but I find that the camera is too big and it's not practical to carry around. But I can definitely see myself creating content using this Osmo Pocket. So I got my little gadget. I almost poked myself. Oh my goodness.
Sunday morning breakfast with that bedroom door locked. Feel like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for right. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love.
And don't mind me, I'm fumbling a bit. Osmo Pocket 3 Quick Start Guide. So I haven't read that. As you can see, I'm just opening it now. And I'll probably go through the manual. And when I've been through it, then I can tell you about all the features of the camera. But this is just basically an instruction. And I went for the Creators Combo because it's got all the different bits and pieces in it. If you've watched my videos, you'll know that I don't know what this is about, but anyway, I'll figure it out. If you've watched a lot of my videos, you'll know that I say that I'm not tech savvy. Everything I do on this channel is self-taught. So please be patient with me, but if that's not your thing, I'll totally understand. You don't have to watch my video. So this is also safety, you know, all instructions for this camera, which I'm going to look at later, but for now we just want to have a look at the camera. While I'm doing this unboxing, I can actually hear my sister saying, hurry up, hurry up. She said in the past that I need to speed things up. Anyway, now we get to the best part. Can we get to the best part? Remember that song that we all liked? When Reels first came out, I remember that that song that I used to use in my reels. All this information about the DJI, and it's got this little bag. I love this bag. It's written DJI there, and it's got this little zip, and I'm sure this is waterproof. It seems like it can be waterproof, and inside it's packed so neatly. I don't want anything to fall out, but that's what it looks like inside. Guys, I am so excited because I was saying, you know, the reason why I bought it is because this camera is so small and it's so portable. I can see this is probably the screen. You can see that yellow bit there. I'll pull it off when I'm ready to record. And it's got the off on button there, and it's got the mic there. Oh, I'm really excited. It just comes in this bag. It was on that side. Oh my god! And it's got like it's a bit soft inside. That was really clumsy. Anyway, this is probably the mic. That was so clumsy of me. I think this is the, you can clip this onto your clothes. Ooh, seems very heavy, but this is the one I've got. And I thought it was on, but it's off again. I like this mic. It's really tiny and easy to use. But yeah, I'm gonna try all of this out a bit later. I'm gonna see how everything works, and once I've figured it out, I'll show you all. So that's what's in that pocket. And then on the other pocket, you've got all these little bits and pieces, all these, this as well. This is oh, look at that. Absolutely cute. And guys, I am useless when it comes to assembling things or putting things together. So for now, I'm just going to leave everything, and I'm going to show you all what's inside, and then I'll figure it out later. But I'm sure you've watched a lot of these unboxings, and you're probably wondering what my problem is. And that's like a charger cable, and they've got lots of little compartments to separate the stuff, and I like that. Everything is separated into its own little compartment, little sections. And then we've got this. I can't wait for hubby to get home from work, and he'll help me to figure out how everything works. Oh dear. It is so hot in Perth. I think it's about 30 something degrees today. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's a lens. And then Mark's been asking me every day, have you unboxed your present? Have you unboxed your present? And I said, no. It is so hot, I'm boiling, but I'm scared to put the aircon on because it's going to affect the quality of this video. Everything is wrapped up so nicely. Guys, I just know how to record. I don't know anything else. So when Mark gets home, and once he's had a bit of a rest, I'm going to ask him to help me. And then I've shown you that. And then in that middle pocket, we actually have two things in that pocket. We have this, and I'm going to show you all what this is. lots and lots of little bits and pieces. I don't know what's the weather like where you are, but here in Perth it is so hot. It's been like 38, 34 degrees, and yeah, we've been sweating. Thank God we've got aircon. At night we've been turning the aircon off and then we're turning it on. And last but not least, we have, this is the tripod. DJI on there. Guys, I'm so excited. I cannot believe I've got this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. I really wanted it, and I think it cost about 1,300.
Gonna stay in this moment, gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely, I am finally home at last. And I don't mind being gone on adventures for a while. No, no. 'Cause the best thing about it is I know I'm coming back. Oh, oh. Of all the magic places in the world I've been to, this is where my heart is. Oh, you know it's true. No matter where I go, I'm coming home to you. Been walking down the street so many times, my feet know every brick and stone. Could wear a blindfold, no matter what I do, I'm coming home to you. And I don't know why, don't know why, don't know why, I'm always feeling homesick.
That is my Christmas present from my husband. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel and you enjoy watching fashion, travel and lifestyle videos, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the little bell so you can be notified every time I upload a video. For fashion inspiration, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm Style Queen Salah.
Different cities, friendly phrases, and perhaps